Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Chennai Cook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make stuffed paratha. For this, I've heated 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. I'm adding 1 cup of chopped onions. I'm cooking the onions till they become translucent. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon each of chili powder, garam masala and coriander powder and half tablespoon of salt. I'm cooking this till the rawness of the masala goes off. Once the masala is well cooked, I'm adding 3 boiled potatoes to the masala and smashing it till they become evenly mixed with the masala. Now for this recipe, I've already prepared chapati dough. If you want to know how to make this dough, please check out the description box below. I'm taking a fistful of chapati dough. I'm rolling it into a thick sheet. I'm placing some of the potato stuffing inside it and then I'm going to seal it tightly. You need to make sure that this is tightly sealed, else the stuffing will come out. I'm dusting it well and then rolling it back into a circular shape. Gently roll the paratha, else the stuffing will come out. Don't press too hard. Now you can see that the masala is evenly spread out. I'm tapping it evenly so that there are no thick dough on the edges. I'm heating a pan and then placing the paratha on it. I'm partially cooking on each side. Now you can see that the sides are cooked. I'm adding a bit of oil. I'm doing the same on the other side as well. Now your paratha is fully cooked. Serve this hot with a bit of butter on top. So your paratha is ready. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.